Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at the motor neuron diseases and its natural treatment options in our health problems and natural remedies. Okay, this is how it follows: list of wood pressed oils, list of decoctions, diet plan with millets, the most important thing, exercise, and then what to avoid. What to avoid means what foods to avoid. Okay, uh, let's see the wood pressed oils or bull driven oils that you have to consume on empty stomach. Week 1, the first week, drink 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil. Next week, second week, drink 2 to 3 spoons of sesame seed oil. Okay. Third week, drink 2 to 3 spoons of niger seed oil. Okay, and repeat this cycle after every 3 weeks. And you have to take 30 minutes gap between the oil, bull driven oil, and the decoction. Okay, this wood pressed oil or bull driven oil you have to consume only on empty stomach. Okay, that too early in the morning. If you wake up at 6 a.m., if you drink 1 liter of water, wait for 1 hour, that is at 7 a.m., you can have this oil. If you are drinking 1.5 liter of water early in the morning, that is at 6 a.m., wait for 1.5 hour. That means at 7:30 a.m. you can have this wood pressed oil or bull driven oil. Okay. Coming to the decoctions, first week turmeric sticks or turmeric powder. It's always preferable to have turmeric stick. Okay. Right. Second week golden apple leaves. Third week Rotha graveolens leaves. Fourth week Bermuda grass. Fifth week night jasmine leaves. Last week betel leaves. Okay, uh, this is the schedule, the complete schedule of the decoctions. And the first week, if you take turmeric stick, take only small part of it, not whole, just cut a small piece of it. Okay, and then grind it properly. Okay, with a hammer. Okay, and then you can place it in the warm water. Okay, second week golden apple leaves, third week rotha graveolens, fourth week bermuda grass, fifth week night flowering jasmine leaves, sixth week betel leaves. But for betel leaves especially you have to remove the uh, petiole. Okay, this part of the leaf. Okay, right, the end part of the leaf. You have to maintain 45 minutes to 1 hour gap after the decoction to have your next meal. Okay, and if you do not find any one of the one or two of the leaves above, you can still continue with the remaining. Let's say uh, you do not get the Bermuda grass is not available in your area, just leave this one, skip this one. Okay, in the third week, in the fourth week itself, you can go to night flowering jasmine. Okay, after the sixth week you have to go back to again first week. You have to repeat this cycle till you get normal. Okay, coming to the millet part, foxtail millets for 3 days. Okay, if you are having 3 meals per day, have all the 3 meals with foxtail millets only. If you are having only 2 meals, have those 2 meals with foxtail millets only. Okay, what does that mean? You can have curries, you can have curd as well, curd or yogurt. Okay, homemade curd, homemade yogurt you can have. Okay, no problem. Any curry you can have except non-veg. Brown top millets for 3 days, little millet for 1 day, kodo millet for 1 day, barnyard millet for 1 day. So this is the diet plan. The best way to consume millets is in the form of porridge, millet porridge, for initial 5 to 6 weeks. Okay, that is 1.5 month. Okay, better to have it in the porridge form or gruel form, and eat these millets alternatively for this 9-day schedule. Okay, and repeat this sequence till you get recovered, and no rice, no bread, no wheat products till the recovery. Use only wood pressed oils or bull driven oils, both for cooking and for drinking purposes. How to cook millets? Either you can cook it like rice or make millet porridge. Okay, how to cook it like rice? Add 3 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet and soak it for 8 hours, and then cook it on a open top vessel. Making millet porridge, use either granulated millets or whole millets. Okay, add 6 to 8 glasses of water for 1 glass of millet. You can also add 10 glasses of water if you want to make it more watery. Okay, no problem. Soak it for 8 hours. Okay, cook it on a open top vessel. Once it is cooked, let it become cooled by opening the lid. Okay, and tie the top of the vessel using a cotton cloth once it is cooled down. Okay, keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours. Okay, and then you can have it. If it is summer, you can keep it only for 6 to 7 hours. That much time is sufficient when it is, if it is summer season. Okay, right. The most important part is exercise. Okay, if you can walk for only 15 minutes, walk for 15 minutes initially. Okay, slowly you can increase the walking time. How fast you walk, that doesn't matter, but how much time you walk, that definitely matters. So walk for 1 hour minimum a day. Okay, but you have to increase your walking time slowly day by day. Okay, it's your wish up to how many hours you can walk. If you can walk for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, that is very beneficial. Okay, but you have to increase this walking time slowly, let the body adjust. Okay, right. Coming to the foods to avoid, all milk and dairy products you have to avoid. Okay, you can have curd, but that is homemade. Okay, not dairy one. Okay, rice and wheat products you have to avoid. You have to avoid refined oils. Sugar and jaggery also you have to avoid. Even in the decoctions, if you cannot drink them as it is, you can have palm jaggery in place of sugar and jaggery. Okay, palm jaggery is the better product. Okay, as the alternatives for sugar and jaggery, you can have palm jaggery, dates, and 100% pure honey. Okay, and wheat powder and refined wheat powder you have to avoid. You have to avoid tea, coffee, all bakery products, all polished millets or refined millets also you have to avoid. You have to take whole grains, whole millets. Okay, non-vegetarian food, cold drinks, pizzas, burgers, pastas, noodles, all canned foods, all ready-made foods, and all ready-to-eat foods you have to avoid. Okay, now we are going to look at how to make a decoction using any one of the leaves mentioned above. I just added 250 to 300 ml of water. Okay, it is in between 280 ml maybe, perhaps. Water in the vessel. Okay, I'm going to switch on the stove. Okay, once the water gets boiled, then I will add those leaves. Okay, night jasmine leaves. Okay, let's close the vessel. Okay, let's place the lid, and uh, let's switch on the stove. See, if the water gets boiled, water bubbles will appear. Okay, yeah, bubbles got appeared, right? Now we can place the washed leaves. Okay, in the vessel. Okay, we are now placing the washed leaves. Okay, thoroughly washed with the running water in the vessel. Okay, let's place the lid also. Okay, and let it get boiled. Okay, for 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, it got boiled up. Okay, we actually did everything on a low flame. Okay, now let's wait for 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. Okay, before having the concoction. Okay, and the concoction has to be taken slowly. That means sip by sip. Okay, you have to drink it very slowly. Right. Yes, 5 minutes is over. Okay, now you can remove the lid. You can remove those leaves, and you can place it in a glass. Okay, using spoon you can drink it slowly. Okay, right. Leaf is very thick here. There are no particles of leaves here. Okay, that is the reason why I'm not using why I didn't use uh, filter. Okay, otherwise I would have used a filter. Now you are going to, it's better to use a spoon and drink it slowly, sip by sip, and when it is hot, that is good. When People prefer to take it when it is hot, but your wish. If you want to drink it when it is cool, wait for 5 or 6 more minutes and then you can drink it sip by sip. Okay, shouldn't consume it completely. Okay, in one go. Okay, you have to drink it very slowly, sip by sip. Okay, that too preferably with a spoon. Are you tired of dental problems? Then listen to this. Stop brushing your teeth using plastic brush and chemical paste. Use nature's gifted neem stick for brushing your teeth and stay healthy.